In the challenging environment of the great outdoors, being prepared for unforeseen situations is crucial. That's why in today's video, we'll be showcasing essential survival gear and tools available on Amazon that can significantly increase your chances of survival. Let's jump right into it. The tiny survival cart, the ultimate survival tool that packs a powerful punch in a credit card-sized package. Weighing less than an ounce, this remarkable tool is designed for everyday carry and easily fits in your wallet, pocket, or survival kit. Don't be deceived by its size, as this survival card is brimming with features that can prove invaluable in any emergency situation. Included in this compact card are a multifunctional mini knife and spear point, perfect for cutting through rope, opening packages, or even defending yourself if the need arises. Need to create a small hole for a makeshift shelter or trap? The microfinger drill is at your service. And for those unexpected clothing tears, fear not, as 3 sewing needles are thoughtfully included to stitch you right up. But that's not all. The tiny survival cart also integrates 2 small fishing hooks, 2 medium fishing hooks, and 2 double fishing hooks, ensuring you have the means to catch your own food if necessary. And let's not forget the mini button fishing lure, completing this incredible survival tool that you'll always want to have by your side. Allow us to introduce you to the MecArmy CMP2-T compass, available in either TC4 titanium or brass. This pocket compass not only boasts impressive functionality but also exudes style. Its compact size makes it easy to carry comfortably in your pocket or attach it to your keychain using the free beaded chain provided. Through the utilization of special encapsulation technology, this compass offers high sensitivity and precise navigation, ensuring reliable performance for all your outdoor adventures. However, what truly sets the CMP2-T apart is its unique fluorescence feature, allowing it to glow in the dark for up to 6 hours. This makes it an invaluable accessory for nighttime adventures or emergencies. No more fumbling in the dark or wasting precious battery life on flashlights. The CMP2-T will guide you with ease. Look no further for the perfect cozy blanket for your next adventure than the Arcturus military wool blanket. Crafted from high-quality wool, this blanket ensures you stay warm during chilly weather. Its contrast lock stitching prevents frayed edges, making it more durable than ordinary blankets. On top of that, the blanket undergoes a triple washing process during production, allowing you to use it right away without the need for any extra washing. With a spacious footprint of 5 feet by 7 feet, there's plenty of room for up to 2 people to snuggle comfortably. The best part is that this versatile blanket can be easily washed in a regular washing machine, saving you from the expense of dry cleaning. In any cold survival environment, the Arcturus military wool blanket is an absolute must-have, providing both warmth and durability to ensure a cozy and comfortable adventure. The ultimate medical kit for all your emergency needs, the Mymedic MYFAK Large. Designed to cater to adventurous travelers and preppers, this comprehensive kit contains over 200 life-saving items, including bandages, tourniquets, medications, splints, burn gel, and more. No matter the situation, whether it's treating wounds, stopping bleeding, stabilizing fractures, or managing pain, the Mymedic MYFAK Large has got you covered. Crafted from durable, water-resistant nylon material, this kit comes in a convenient bag that can be easily attached to your backpack, bike, or car. Don't venture out without the Mymedic MYFAK Large, the best medical kit to handle any scenario with confidence. On another note, have you heard of Boost Oxygen Natural? It's a product that provides natural oxygen supplementation, helping you to stay refreshed and energized during various activities. It's worth considering for enhancing your performance and overall well-being. The Bone Daddy Axxis, a versatile survival tool that ingeniously combines the functionalities of a knife, a camp axe, and a full-size axe, making it an absolute essential for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Meticulously crafted with top-notch materials, the Bone Daddy Axxis boasts a blade made from durable D2 steel renowned for its excellent edge retention. With an overall length of 7 inches, it strikes the perfect balance between portability and functionality. Its compact size ensures easy carrying and maneuverability, making it an ideal companion for camping, hiking, survival situations, and other outdoor activities. What sets the Bone Daddy Axxis apart is its ability to adapt to various needs. Whether you need a camp axe or a full-size axe to clear a campsite or build a shelter efficiently, this tool has you covered. Its compact form ensures precision and control, making it perfect for tasks that require finesse. Don't miss out on the Bone Daddy Axxis, the ultimate survival tool that brings versatility and convenience to your outdoor endeavors. So that was our list of the top 5 survival gear from Amazon. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel.